Hey guys, welcome on back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on. Today I'm just going to be doing a look featuring the Modern Renaissance palette. Before we get into the video, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate the love and support from you guys. Join my little fam here and let's jump into the video. Oh my gosh. So, let me put my hair up because it is so hot. I'm gonna start off with the shade Warm Taupe right here, and I'm just gonna blend that through. So what's interesting is oh shit, I didn't expect this much pigmentation, so holy shook. Boom. I did not expect this much pigmentation. Alright, so I'm gonna just blend this out with a clean brush because wow. Guys, it is so cold, and I'm not sure if any of you guys know this, but I live in Texas, so this is kind of wild to me because I don't know, it still shocks me how like it changes weather so much. Yesterday it was like 76 degrees, which, you know, great, whatever. It was still humid because it has been raining recently, so that kind of sucks. But anyway, so today I walk outside and it is freezing cold, and I can't, and it's still cold and rainy. Me and this palette, we have an understanding, we got it going. I can, you know, proceed with the look knowing how pigmented this baby is. I'm gonna go in with Venetian Red. Wait, where's Venetian? Venetian Red. I'm going to slowly go a little bit further down. So last video I did a voiceover, which was cool. And actually what I was gonna do with this video, since I just got a new tripod in, so I don't know if you can see like how awesome this angle is. Well, at least to me it is way more awesome than my last couple of videos, which if you haven't seen, go check it out. But yeah, so I was just gonna do like a speed through, no talking, just you guys seeing. But I think I'm gonna do that for the next video, just because I like editing those kind of a bit more, because I can be a bit more creative with the editing. But what was my point? But I was gonna say, I really like and enjoy talking to the camera, especially because I've gained so many more subscribers in the past couple days that I'm so excited about. But anyways, yes, so I mentioned that I got a new tripod today. I'm so excited about it because I feel like this is what my channel needed to go to the next level, because I was just really annoyed with how long it would take me to set up to film, because my old tripod was really short, so I'd have to prop it up on something. I'm sure you guys can relate with this. Like, you get this really nice camera and you don't get a tripod with it, and you're like, oh fuck, who needs a tripod? Until like it, you know, comes in and it's just not that great. Alright, I want this to be brighter. I started off with Venetian Red because I didn't want to go too crazy, but I'm gonna peek into Love Letter because I do want this to be a little bit more intense, and I'm gonna go over the exact same spots. I think a lot of people are scared to do like really colorful looks because they don't want to look crazy, but I think the key, or at least what I've learned, is when you start small and when you know what area you're gonna put them in, if you keep the shadows low, which I mentioned in one of my Jaclyn Hill tutorials, the really smoky one, you really can accomplish a lot. Oh wow, so what I'm noticing is there's not like a really dark color in this palette, which goes with the aesthetic, but I wanted something a bit darker. But I'm gonna just try with Cypress Umber because I think I can build it, because these babies are so freaking pigmented. But that's just gonna go kind of on the outer V of the eye. Like so, and I'm just kind of patting it in and keeping it low. I've put in this Cypress Umber shade just on the outer edge, and I feel like I've lost a lot of the, what is this color? Love Letter. So I'm just going back in and like doing it big. So the next thing that I want to do is I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm gonna do your typical half cut. Well, I guess not your typical. It's become so popular. Y'all remember when like cut creases weren't a thing? Like you just did your eyeshadow, and if it was nicely blended, like that was enough, you know? Like it's not like that anymore. What I learned to do with cutting my crease as of late is a trick that has been all over YouTube, but I'm essentially just putting the concealer down, looking up, and then where it stops is where I'm gonna hit. So I'm just cutting out where it's stopped.
Good.
Alright, and now that my crease is cut, I'm just gonna go back in with Cypress Umber, and I'm just gonna kind of blend in the outsides. There's gonna be another color that I place on top of here. I'm gonna take the shade Premier right here. I'm just gonna put that all over. Yeah, this is cute. Actually, this is really pretty, but I think I'm gonna have to do something different. And we're just gonna blend, and I'm also gonna blend that outside that isn't cut really well. I think I'm just gonna put the shade Primavera right on top. I really don't want to use another palette besides this one, because this is the only palette that I want to try out in this vid today. So if anything, I'm just gonna have to make it work. Then I'm gonna go back in with some Venetian Red. You could either do this or Love Letter. And to the part that's not cut, I'm just gonna make sure that that is nice and seamless, honey. My last tutorial, I did not feature lashes, but there was, and I said I'm not a lash gal, and I didn't lie, but I'm also going out tonight. It's funny how I filmed a date night tutorial, and all I did was eat and go to sleep in my apartment. But this time, this is actually, I am going to see Black Panther. I am so excited to see Black Panther. So they had two, like they had the double pack on sale for like $3.99, and they're usually like $6. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pop on some lashes for this tutorial, and these are in the style Sultry. I'm gonna put some glue on these babies, let them dry while I'm doing my eyeliner. I love Wednesdays so much. Well, by the way, I'm going in and just doing a wing with my tattoo liner. I'm making it pretty dramatic because this is a very dramatic look, and I feel like it's gonna tie it all together. But like I was saying, I honestly love Wednesdays with all my heart. Me and my boyfriend are both college students full-time, and we also both work. So when we get a day that we're both off, which this semester has been Wednesdays, it's so awesome. Alrighty, the lashes are on, and as usual, my inner corners don't want to see me win, so I'm gonna finish up my face. All I have right now is foundation on, and then I will get back to you guys with the bottom lash line, and then I'll wrap this look up. So my face is pretty much done. Going back to the eyes, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the shade, I wanna mess with more colors, so I'm gonna take the shade Burnt Orange. I know that this was a favorite among many, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put that along my lash line. I'm not sure if you guys watch Gina Shkita, I don't know how to say her last name. But anyway, she inspired me to just define my eye bags. And I'm gonna take the shade Red Ochre, and then I'm gonna mix it with a little bit Cypress Umber. And I'm just gonna put that on the lower lash line, tight line it. So I'm gonna go back in with the same mascara that I was using and just go ham on my bottom lashes. Want to say hi to my subscribers? Big. I love you. See you soon. So I'm taking the Essence lip liner in Satin Mauve 06, and I'm just lining my lips. And then I'm gonna take this Ofra liquid lip in Dubai, and I'm gonna put that in the center. We're gonna take Fortune Cookie NYX Butter, what is this called? Butter Gloss from NYX. The shade is Fortune Cookie. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lips. This is one of my favorite nude shades of all time. And then to finish this look off, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Fixing Spray. I actually really like the setting spray, and it's like $5 to $10. It's really, really, really affordable. I know everyone hypes the Milani one, but this one is better to me because this one lasts a long time, and it also doesn't make my mascara bleed, because that's my issue with the Milani one. Oh. But I'm extra, so I'm gonna take the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray and just really lightly spray it. Yeah, that like keeps my makeup just fresher. That just about completes this look. Thanks for hanging with me this long if you haven't thus far. Thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't joined my little squad, my fam. I don't know. I feel weird. I don't think I'm ever gonna be one of those YouTubers that has like a Sterlinites. I don't know, maybe one day if I ever get that big we will have a Sterlinite squatter fam. But please join us here and let's keep hanging and doing some more makeup. So when you do subscribe, please turn your post bell notifications on so that you can be all updated as to when I upload, which is getting more frequent. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I don't know why I'm moving so much, but I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.